What's up, Flow family? Welcome back to another video with your local Flow Prodigy. If it is your first time on this channel, I'm Brendan Perez, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button to see more videos like this one. In this video, we're going to be going over not only how to do double knee 360s, but also how to do 360s on drop knee as well. Let's get into it. You want to start off by not only having your knees on the board, but shifting them high enough that your feet no longer touch the water. To keep yourself straight, you want to fully sit on your heels and dig both hands in the water at the same time to keep the resistance of the water pressure equal on both sides. To start your rotation, you want to leave only one hand digged up in the wave. The resistance of the water pressure on one hand will automatically make you turn on whichever side you have your hand in the water. Now, this is the most important part of this tutorial. You want to continuously shift your body weight, leaning to the back of the wave the entire time that you are rotating, as you see here. Now, whether you are facing sideways or even backwards, if you're not leaning far enough on the edge of your board, you will get clipped in the water and you will wipe out. Now, during the entire duration of your rotation, you want to continuously shift your body weight all around the board. Now, learning to do 360s on drop knee isn't any more different or difficult than doing it on double knee. And at least in my opinion, it might even be even easier, as I feel as if you have even more control, as you're still following the same concepts of doing double knee. Only instead of sitting on two heels, you're sitting on one. Now, do keep in mind, when it does come to getting started with riding on drop knee in general, it always does feel weird or even uncomfortable in the beginning, but it is just one of those things that the more you do it, the more you get used to it, the more comfortable you start to feel on it. So this is definitely one of those things that you want to build in the beginning as a good habit so that later on it feels a lot more natural. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, definitely leave a thumbs up down below. And if you haven't already, show some love and hit that red subscribe button. And if you look right next to the red subscribe button, you will see a bell-shaped icon. That is the notification bell. Click on that notification bell and you will be notified every time I upload. And I will see you on the next one.